Namaskar.
Namaskar.
We have with us IT professional Mr. Sandeep Prabhudesai and Mrs. Janvi Prabhudesai, who is Ayurvedic doctor. So, doctor, I would like to know from you how you get motivated towards this virgin coconut oil technology to start as an enterprise.
Let me start with, I have a certain experience medically with virgin coconut oil. There was a time wherein I used to have a lot of allergy. So nobody would understand what it is all about. We tried everything, but I wasn't able to understand what is causing the allergy. So without knowing the cause, it was difficult to treat. That's when I came to know about virgin coconut oil. So just as a trial, I said, let me try what it is. Then I started taking virgin coconut oil, and I came to know through the allergy test that I'm allergic to ghee.
Okay.
So if I'm allergic to ghee and milk products, I needed something to take care of my intestines, because as per Ayurveda, ghee is the best. So if I'm not able to take ghee, I have to have something better. So when I started virgin coconut oil, slowly and steadily my allergy reduced. So I realized that virgin coconut oil in fact is going to be very soothing for the intestines and must be playing some role in reducing the pH of the body. So the acidity reduces. So that's how I realized that if I could have so much of good results with virgin coconut oil, definitely it's going to help everybody who is going to take it. So that's where I decided that, of course, during that time there was no much of awareness. This was around 8-10 years back. So slowly and steadily we both decided that somewhere we have to see to it that virgin coconut oil is brought to the availability of normal people around, because it becomes VCO when we take that word. It's only a higher sect, the elite people who are very active in that area market. I mean, they know what it is. But for a common person like me, when especially in Goa, everybody khobrel te. It is not khobrel. We have to understand what is virgin coconut oil and what is khobrel. Obviously, both are very good. But there are certain things wherein virgin coconut will have its edge as compared to normal coconut oil. So that's the reason I have realized it is like, how I would say, another amrut for everybody. So if we can definitely promote it, we have decided to go ahead with
By knowing this medicinal value, you started to enter in this enterprise. Sandeep, what you would like to add?
See, we are horticulturists by hereditary profession. My dad was earlier managing these farms. We have got around 150 acres of land over here, around 3,000 coconut trees. So it is rightly mentioned that necessity is the mother of invention. So when the necessity came that she had to go in for the best virgin coconut oil and we had the resources with us, my father had a vision around 10-15 years back that he wanted to do value addition for coconut. All these things came together, and one fine day we also interacted with KVK. We went to many other people and we came to know about virgin coconut oil and how it could be manufactured locally over here. So taking help from people like you and your organizations, we came to a decision that we want to use this resource of ours by converting the raw product that we have into a finished product and making it available in the market. We are putting up a facility right now in Kakoda Industrial Estate. We are putting up a facility of processing more than 5,000 coconuts per day. It is also a socio-economic cause wherein we want to transpire the lives of minimum 1,000 farmers in the next 3 years and the people who are dependent on those farmers. So we are looking out for 1,000 farmers and 4 people, if you consider dependent on every farm, 4,000 laborers. So total of 5,000 lives we want to transform by doing this project.
This is a very good activity which you are going to start, Mr. Sandeep. And what are your plans? Like we will be covering domestic market as well as international market.
See, currently our focus will be on domestic market, but yes, we have reached out to international markets and we have got very good response from them. They are waiting for our production to start. Since we are just at the inception level, we are expecting the production to start anything between the 5th or the 6th month from now on. And for this, what we have done is we have taken up state-of-the-art machinery. We are going to make the production unit equivalent to a pharma company, wherein all the norms of the pharma company are maintained, so that we can promote it as a agri and Ayurvedic product in the market. Yeah, so when we were doing a lot of research and understanding and how do we go ahead with respect to the process, we suddenly got a call from some known person that there is a training for virgin coconut oil in KVK and ICR at Ella Farms. So we decided, let us go and be a party to it. And once we understood that whole process, we came to know that we were absolutely on the right path. We wanted to take this further. So then we started going more into the depth. We went to ICR Kasargod, also met Dr. Manikantan also over there. He guided us in terms of understanding what are the different ways that you can achieve this thing. And after going through a lot of audit, lot of study and lot of this thing, with the help of KVK and ICR, we finalized that we wanted to do our product through cold processed method. So this is a method in which we do not apply a single degree of heat to it, and yet we are retaining all the benefits which are there in the and the virginity of the oil. That is how it is called as virgin coconut oil.
So you felt that this KVK as means we were happy when you came to KVK to know about this virgin coconut oil. And
Of course. We were apprehensive whether we should take this product or not. Once we went to KVK, we knew that 100% we have to go ahead with this product, and we have to make this available not only for the local people, but we have to also promote this as a Ayurvedic product in the market.
So you will be going for now cold process.
Yes.
And what is your distinct target of production?
See, we are looking out for processing around 5,000 coconuts per shift. So we are looking out for a production between around 250 to 266 liters per day that we are planning. We are going to come with multiple products in our SKUs, like we are coming up with nasal drops, ear
Different
drops,
products,
baby oils,
Very
normal
good.
coconut. So we have got many products in the line, but once the production starts, then we'll be identifying the SKUs, and accordingly every 3 months we'll be putting up a new product in the market.
So thank you, Sandeep and
Thank you, ma'am.
Janvi, for sharing your.
And thank you so much for your time and efforts that you have helped us out at
Thank
KVK.
you.
And we look forward to going on this journey and working again
I
with
wish you all
KVK
the
and
best and
ICR shoulder to
success.
shoulder on this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Namaste.